welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to assemble the Jeep Wrangler Stroller Wagon together. So I have received this as a gift for Christmas from my in-laws. This was something I really wanted to get. It's a gift to me, but it's also a gift for Giselle. I thought it was super fun. My friend has one and we put Giselle inside and we went to a park and walked around. Giselle had so much fun and I was like, this is something we can use for a long time. And it's big enough so she can even take naps inside. We can go to picnics and go to the beach and all of that. And like, even if she's not inside or once she's gonna start walking, we can just put some stuff inside as well. I thought that this was actually such a great gift to get. I know it's a little pricey. I really thought that that was something that we could use for a long time. As you can see on the picture, there are also two kids. They do have two sides where you can strap your children in. So yeah, so I mean, when I saw my daughter in there, she was having the time of her life with her friends. They were having snacks inside. I know Giselle's friend also had, she's a little older. She was coloring. She had all her crayons and stuff like that. So I was like, oh my gosh, like this is something that I can really see Giselle in for a long time. And it's super easy to push. I just really loved it and I really wanted to have it for Giselle. So yeah, so that's what I received for Christmas. I'm really happy and very grateful. Thank you to my in-laws. So if you are interested in knowing how to put the Jeep wagon together, then keep watching. So we're gonna open this box and see what's inside. So obviously it comes with a manual, so there's nothing to worry about, you guys. So over here you can see all the small parts that I took out, and right here I have the wagon. So yeah, so let's get into this video right now. Alright guys, so the first step is to unfold your wagon. So my wagon is upside down. You want to take this piece right here. You want to attach the big wheels on it. So you see those holes on the side? You heard that? You want to make sure you hear that noise, okay? So that's how you put your wheel in, and then we're going to put the other one. You want to hear that noise, okay? Or else it's not in. Okay guys, so the next step is under your wagon you can see two sides. One side has the little things where you can take them off right here, and then on the other side it has those little plastics and has little holes inside. The wheels that we just put together right here, we're gonna put on the side where the little caps are on. So you want to take these caps off and then attach this on this part, if that makes sense. And you should hear that. Did you hear that? Because right here it has like a little metal and it has to be in the hole. So once it's in the hole, that means it's nice and steady. So this side is done. So the next step, you want to take out the little wheels and simply attach them right here in these little holes. And you want to hear that click. You want to hear that, okay? Because if you don't hear it, it's not steady. Okay, so that's done. Alright, so now the next step, we're going to flip this over to the other side. I'm guessing you can press on these two sides right here and then lift this up. And same on this side right here. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you guys how to put this tent on top, and it's super easy, nothing complicated. So you see right here, this part, you just want to slide it on top of this piece right here. So and when you hear that click, that means it's in, okay? You want to do that on all four sides. It's really not hard. And then you unzip the side, and then we have these. And for you to be able to have this not move around when it's windy or whatever. Right here, there's a little scratchy. You just put it on it right there, like that. And then on this side too, and voila. And then we want to do the same thing on the other side. I did see it came with a little cup holder, and on both sides I see a little plastic right here, a little thing that you can slide this on. So there's one side right here, and there's also on this side. So depending what side you're pushing your baby, you can put your cup holder on each side. So that's really cool. That's something I really like. So now I'm going to show you guys how to install this on your wagon if you do have a baby with a bassinet and you would like to go for a walk with your baby and your toddler sitting on one side. So the first step is we're going to use the bigger side of the wagon. So we're going to detach this off right now first. So we will need the bar. I'm gonna flip it. So in your package you have received 2 adapters, and so I'm gonna show you guys how to put these in right here right now. So to open it up, you want to press on this button right here and then open this just like that. You want to make sure that the big piece is always inside of the wagon. So right here there's something that's gonna hold it even better, so now it's not gonna move. And then over here we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna click here and then boom. And when you see them not moving, that means that they're perfectly in. The next step is to attach this. So guys, I do recommend to look at the manual for this because it does say that on your bassinet, on the side at the top, it has like a little hole where you can slide this through and then reattach it. But for that, you would have to look at the picture because I don't have my bassinet anymore. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys the simple how to install, and then you would have to look on the manual just how to really put your bassinet so that it really will stay attached to it. But yeah, this is how you install this piece right here. I have only my daughter and I want her to have space and not this bar in between. I'm just gonna take this off. So now she has the whole wagon to herself, and even for her playmates. So that's it for that, and I'm gonna just show you guys real quick a couple things. Oh guys, and another thing I wanted to tell you guys was about the wheel. So right here you can see that it's moving a lot. If you want your wheels to stay straight, all you have to do is move this piece right here, and see, now it's stuck, and now you can go straight. Now if you want to put this back to how it was before, all you have to do is press here, and now it's moving again. Also guys, on both sides they have the brakes, so right here, and then they also have it over here. Alright guys, so that's it with today's video. I just wanted to tell you guys I'm super happy. It was super easy to assemble this, and it's super light. Don't worry if you have to do it by yourself or put it by yourself in your car. I would say it is pretty big, so if you have a smaller car, you probably would have to put down your back seat to make more room if you have a small trunk. But other than that, it's super light, honestly. So I'm excited to use it soon when I'm gonna go to the park with Giselle. I'm really excited for her to sit inside and just enjoy the ride. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to just comment down below and I will answer you as fast as possible. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment down below. Have a good night. Bye guys.